Hey, what's up, ComSci community? I'm back with day number 19 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. So first of all, I just want to wish everybody a happy Easter for those of you that celebrate it. And now let's jump right into the project. So the first thing that I did today was I added a few social icons, and I changed the size and color so that they matched the layout and style of the website. But I haven't actually linked the social icons to his social media, so I'll go ahead and do that tomorrow. The next thing that I did was I added some star icons to the Google reviews that I did yesterday. And I resized them and I gave them a color of orange, and this already makes the Google reviews look a lot more like actual Google reviews, so I'm really happy with how that turned out. And the last thing that I did was I changed the color of the text in the contact section to white and an off-white, and I changed the link to his phone number, which you can actually dial out from clicking on that number. I changed that to the same beige color as the navigation buttons, so this way it stands out a little bit more and you can differentiate it as an actual link. Well, that's all for today. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.